name's Brandon Thom. I'm the Vice President of Adventure Island here in Tampa Bay, and I'm standing right in front of our brand new 2020 attraction. It's called Solar Vortex. Just adding a certain flavor to the park that it doesn't have. We have all sorts of variety of thrill, family. This one's more of the family tilt, but it offers a really neat feature. The Aqualucent feature is very different. The Tailspin feature is built for speed. So it's a good mix of a slide, and you're riding down in a circular family raft ride that can fit up to 4 people. So it's going to be a great experience for the family. I think it's a perfect fit, and I think it's in a great location too, right in the middle of the island part of our park. So the Tailspins, it's a feature that's made to pick up some speed on your raft. So you think of a traditional family raft ride where you have your circular rafts like Wahoo Run, if you're familiar with our slide in the back of the park. Kind of slosh up and down when you get to the turns. This one actually is built so that you can bank, not lose any speed, actually pick up some speed. We have 2 of them. So we have one at the start of the slide to keep that speed going. Then you enter your Aqualucent features, which I think, to me, that's the neatest part of the slide because the whole visual experience is just going to be incredible. And then you have one more Tailspin right before this impressive run out right behind me. So the Tailspins offer a pretty good spice to it.
My name is Andrew Hatcher, and I'm a project manager at Adventure Island. So we're standing in front of Solar Vortex, which is America's first dual tailspin water slide. Solar Vortex will feature 2 dual tailspins, which are these giant open bowls that you see behind us. They're bowls that riders will shoot in one side, bank around the turn, and then shoot out the other, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. And between the 2 tailspins is our Aqualucent section. Now, an Aqualucent section is an enclosed portion of the ride. It's gel-coated black on the inside, but it allows light to shine through in different patterns, creating a unique visual experience unlike anything else at Adventure Island. This is one of those rides that it's a bright ride, it's family friendly, it's got a low height requirement of 42 inches, and it's one of these rides that when families get to come out and experience it in the spring of 2020, it's something that they're going to come back to time and time again. We're very excited.